So for week 8, which is significance in art history, I chose Claude Monet to talk about, and he is an artist from our book. His significance in art history is that he was a part of a group who brought about the Impressionist movement. Him and his group of friends or whatever, or artists, they were shut out, or they were not allowed to be in a certain art exhibit, and so they just decided, well, and they just went off and started their own exhibit, and then thus the Impressionist movement. So why is the piece or person important or worthy of being in the book? So just like many other artists, Monet wasn't going to let others' opinions bring him down. In fact, it fueled him and the others in the Impressionist group. Unlike other artists, Monet painted what the eye actually sees rather than what the mind knows or interprets from a scene. What precisely makes this piece or artist necessary to examine when learning about history of human creativity within the visual arts? So Monet took visual arts to the next level because he learned that humans see light as a complex of reflections received by the eye and resembled by the mind during the process of perception. So he used small dabs of color that appear as separate strokes of paint when seen up close, yet become depictions of subjects from a distance. He also did not mix his paint colors. He applied strokes of paint next to one another to bring out a certain effect. So he was a part of the Impressionist movement, like I said earlier. How does the work embody aspects of that movement and why? The artwork made by Monet are impressions of scenery and are what Monet actually sees, not what his mind knows or interprets, just like Impressionism. So how do the artists use the medium to achieve their goals? So like I said earlier, he and his fellow Impressionist artists, they found out that that humans see light as a complex of reflections received by the eye and resembled by the mind during the process of perception. So by doing that, he used small dabs of color that appear as separate strokes of paint when seen up close, yet become depictions of subjects from a distance. And that really helped with his art because it's totally different with his paint strokes, and it does look like his paint is all mixed together, but whenever you look at it up close, it's really not. So yeah, thanks.